All right, let's close out the night with a football break. I have another 40-card value pack of 2022 Score Football. Let's begin. Russell Gage, Robert Tonyan, Luke Kuechly, Carson Wentz. Is he done as a starter? I think at some point he'll get another chance. If history has shown us quarterbacks get injured. Jimmy G, Hollywood Brown, Kenny Galladay, Matt Judon, having a great year on his way to another Pro Bowl. Derek Barnett, Nick Chubb, who King Henry recently said that he is the best running back in the game. Stephon Diggs, Coop, Drake London, Zamir White, Kellen Winslow, Cam Hayward, Kyle Phillips, Carson Strong, Matt Judon once again, DK Metcalf, Matt Corral, the Colts. That organization is a complete mess at the moment. Nick Bosa, Jameson Williams, Peyton Manning, Mac Jones, huddle up with the Rams, Sam Howell, and Aidan Hutchinson. Well, that's a nice way to end things. I haven't pulled this one yet. All right, a quick 2-minute rip. Thank you for watching. Have a good night, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Be sure to hit like and subscribe.